Hi, everybody. Come join us to a little trip to Grimaldis handcrafted chocolate. My daughter had just had her 10th birthday and she wanted to stop in at this cute little chocolate store. I used to see it all the time on my way home to work, but never went in. And to my surprise, it was pretty awesome. They make handcrafted chocolates, they have tours, they show you how they get the chocolate, how it's imported, and the beans. Corona kind of messed up a lot of things because I did not know that there were tours that you can do. So I thought that was pretty cool. But they did have a few of the cocoa beans on display. So my daughter got a kick out of that, as well as they had some of the old machines that they used to use out on display. One of the things that they are most famous for are their chocolate covered chips. So, chocolate chips, funny, right? But they're so good. On the way in, they offered us samples that we could try. So, it was pretty yummy, you guys.
Ready to go down the chocolate enrollment. Oh. Yeah.
So what you thinking? Do you even know? I know you like milk chocolate. How much are they? How do they run?
Sure.
What are your prices?
Of course. So just about everything in the sugar case here is $1.49 a piece.
Okay.
Except for the coconut haystacks, those go by weight because they're larger.
Okay.
And the lemon coconut squares are $1.59 each.
Okay.
And then that case down there is all sugar free. Just so you know.
You probably don't want that then.
Yeah.
You want sugar free?
And just let me know what you'd like.
But I've never tried any of this stuff before.
Yeah, I know.
What about well, do you like lemon, right?
I like lemon stuff.
So maybe get one of the lemon truffles?
Sure, I'll get one of the lemon truffles.
Milk chocolate for you?
Yeah.
Okay, one of those. And are we just going to do it like a bag of assorted candies?
Yeah, that's
Is that
fine.
good? Okay. All righty. Take your time. I know it's a tough decision.
Chocolate orange truffle. Do you like orange? Yes, maybe.
Yeah. Ugh.
Oh, okay.
I don't like raspberry.
You don't like raspberry. What about caramel? That's good.
I'll try caramel.
Okay.
Do you want the regular or the sea salted one?
You want sea salt or regular? Sea salt is better.
Sea salt.
Okay. Got it.
Can I have one more of those?
Of course.
Those? I want one of those. I'm not a big chocolate fan, but that sounds good.
I want this marshmallow thing.
The marshmallow
Those
thing?
are really good if you like
Okay.
marshmallows. Do you like sprinkle?
Yeah, can I have two?
Sure, it's your money.
All righty.
Okay, do you want to look around the rest of the store?
Sure.
This is so cool.
All right, well, I'll have these up here and take your time,
Okay. Pretzel rods.
Spatula.
Spatula.
This is what I need.
You don't need that.
Chocolate doesn't
Chef Zara.
ask silly questions. Chocolate understands. That's Mom.
Huh?
Mom be like, don't ask no silly questions.
Right, silly questions. How much are the chips?
Sure, so that size bag right there, that one is $7.99.
Okay.
And then the next size up would be our 7.5 ounce boxes on the bottom shelf. Those are $9.99. And then the big one, just under a pound there, is $16.99.
And the big one is buy one get one?
You actually either size is buy one get one 25% off.
Okay.
Either one.
Okay, we might have to get that.
Yeah, take your time. I know there's.
Oh wait, I'm such a sucker for soap.
Those smell amazing. Tara.
There's old milk honey soap. I was going to tell you about it. Cranberry melon.
No, cucumber. Cucumber melon. You read it too fast. Oh my gosh, we gotta get one of these too, sorry. Dang it.
This is a really cool. Wait, Mom.
Sorry, put this at the register.
Huh?
Put this at the register for me. Ooh, that was a big bird. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get all this cute little thing. We have honey. Prepackaged and wrapped chocolates.
Yes, most of the Publix in Brevard County do carry the chocolate covered potato chips. Not all of them, but most of them do. Yes. Oh no. only Brevard County. The closest would be Melbourne Beach. That location does carry them. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Okay, I want to ask too.
Hello, how are you?
When she gets done,
Yeah, okay.
we'll let her bring him up, and then we'll go next. Okay?
This is the milk.
The milk chocolate.
Yes.
I'll be right with you.
No problem.
Okay. Alrighty, one milk chocolate chip for you.
Sit that at the
One of
couch.
those too? Sure.
Mm-hmm.
I hear you.
How's that voting?
Milk
That's
chocolate.
no mask, long car, no mask, no nothing.
There's milk chocolates in the rows.
Mm-hmm. Be careful.
Oh, these clams are
Yeah, you
cute.
might have to ask
There we
if
go.
you take those off.
You don't want to accidentally mess it up or break it or anything.
Look, my macaroon.
Mm-hmm. They're like macaroons.
Yeah, but what are these supposed to be?
Sure.
You can put them in your purse and put things in them.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. They have all the little machinery and stuff.
Thank you
there.
much. Have a great day.
Okay. Now you can ask it. Go ahead and ask her.
Okay, what can I get you?
Is this Buffalo's?
Something I can get you milk
It's a lint tint. This is cute.
Of course. Get that in there for you. Right here in the chocolate factory.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you do like tours and parties and stuff like that?
Typically, when things are normal in the world,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
We just can't. I'm thinking probably not till next year at this
Right,
rate.
exactly.
They'll resume that.
Exactly.
But yes, we do, and they're a lot of fun. It's very hands-on. You get to feed the chips down the enrober.
Oh, that's so cool.
Like hand dip your strawberries. So it's depends on what you do. It can range from $15 a person to $25 a
that's
person.
not bad
But
at
then
all.
you leave with like, you know, what you made
What you made.
basically. So you're
Okay.
getting something for that, and I've never seen anybody not have a fun time at those.
We'll
Even
have
the
to
workers
definitely do that, right, Dory?
Is this gonna do it for you?
Yes, I believe that. Is that everything? Is that everything?
Can I have one more?
Oh my God. Well, let's see how much your total is first.
Okay, yeah, I can always add it.
Yeah, it is really cool. Okay, well, let's go, girl.
Alright. Bye-bye, chocolate shop.
Bye-bye, awesome chocolatiness.
Can't wait to tell Zay all about it.
I'm gonna try the sea salt caramel. Mmm.
Oh yeah, it's melted. Well, maybe it'll taste like it's more.
Just eat it, alright? How is it? Jen, you want some? I wish I could give you some. You don't really like the lemon zest? Let me get a bite. I like it.
It's a little bit good, but
It's too lemony.
yeah, it tastes too much like a lemon. At least it's sour. I'm gonna try the sea salt.
It tastes like a lemon cake, literally.
Is it filled with lemon shake insides?
Mm-hmm. Lemon filling. Yummy.
I'm gonna try the sea salt one.
How much were the candies? They were like $1.24 each, right?
I think so.
And then she said that the coconut ones were by weight or something like that because they're bigger.
This one's like a Snickers.
Ooh, I bet that's yummy. Oh, that's the sea salt caramel. I didn't think it tastes like a Snickers. It was good though.
It's like a Snickers with sea salt on it.
Think so?
Mhm.
It was yummy to me though.
Damn it.
Alrighty, so that's it. We're gonna be ending our vlog here at beautiful Cocoa Village, or some people call it downtown Cocoa. We just got done trying all of our chocolates. What was your favorite?
My favorite was the marshmallow.
My favorite was the salted caramel and that lemon one. It was so yummy. So that's it.
Uh-huh.
Team Ashby out. Bye.
Bye.